Hello everyone! Imagine a world where proving your right to live, work or study in the UK is as easy as tapping your phone. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready because the UK government is making this reality with brand new eVisas. Stay tuned to find out how this digital transformation is set to revolutionize your immigration experience. Currently, individuals from non-EU countries residing in the UK, including students, workers, immigrants, and their dependents are issued Biometric Residence Permits or the BRPs as a proof of their immigration status. This card contains a chip that Border Force officer uses to cryptographically verify the document's authenticity and person's identity through the biometric, including the facial photograph and fingerprints. But the new Home Office development signals a shift towards a digital approach, similar to the system in Australia. While biometric will still be collected, physical cards or in-passport vignettes will no longer be issued. Instead, applicants will receive eVisas that can be verified online, serving as a digital proof of their immigration status. So what exactly is an eVisa? It's a digital document that replaces those bulky physical BRP cards. With eVisas, your immigration status is always up to date and accessible online, meaning no more carrying around those extra cards. For students, workers and residents, this is a game changer. Show your status instantly without the need to carry additional documents. It's all about making life simpler and more efficient. And guess what? Traveling in and out of the UK has never been smoother. Your eVisa is recognized at all UK borders, ensuring a quick and hassle-free entry and exit process. No more long waits or extra paperwork. Applying for your eVisas is straightforward. Just visit the official UK government website, fill out the online application, and upload your documents. You can track your application status in real time and receive notification directly to your email. Once approved, your eVisa is instantly available online. No more waiting for physical cards to arrive in the mail. From verifying your right to work to accessing healthcare and even renting a home, your eVisa simplifies these processes, providing instant verification whenever you need it. Embrace the future with eVisas and experience the convenience of modern technology in the immigration journey. The UK is ready to welcome you with open arms and seamless digital experience. For more information and to apply for your eVisas, please visit through the link given in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the Smart Move to UK for all the latest updates on UK immigration. Thanks for watching and see you next time on the Smart Move to UK. Bye-bye.